Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Trader YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the price action from the daily time frame to lower time frame and mark their support and resistance levels for today's price action. And when we look at the events plan for today is Wednesday, Jan 11th. At 6 AM, we have high impact news planned for Australian dollar related currency pairs, and we have lots of low impact news. And at 11:31 PM, we have medium impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now, and when we look at the past price action, we have noticed a price action to be continuously trending on the bullish side. So currently it is testing the resistance level of 1880, where in the past also this level had acted as a very strong resistance and support zone. Only when the price action breaks the resistance level of 1880, we can expect a further continuation of the bullish trend for now in daily time frame. But if you want to know the current trend of the price action, it is still in a bullish trend for now in daily time frame. To make it easier, I'm going to draw a channel pattern connecting the previous highs and lows of the price action. Based on this parallel line or the bullish channel pattern, it is very clear that the current trend of the price action is still in a bullish trend as long as it is trading within this bullish channel pattern. And when we look at the yesterday's candles closing, it has made a indecision candle, and in the past also when we notice a indecision candle being formed, we have noticed a trend reversal. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break the previous candle's low, which is around 1866, in order to take a trade on the bearish side retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for daily time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance levels and the support levels. Currently the price action is in a bullish trend and finding a resistance around the resistance level of 1880. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect it to test the resistance level of 1904 and 1940. And if the price action bounces back from the resistance level of 1880, next level of support is going to be around 1856, 1826 and 1877. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame. When we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, we can notice that after taking support around the support level of 1777, it is continuously in a very strong bullish trend. And after testing the resistance level of 1880, we have noticed a price action to be consolidating within the support level of 1868 and resistance level of 1880. So for the 4 hours time frame also, I have drawn a bullish channel pattern, and we can clearly notice that it is testing the resistance line of the bullish channel pattern. And if the price action doesn't manage to break the higher time frame resistance level of 1880, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start, and next level of support is going to be around 1856, and only when the price action breaks this support level of 1856 and the bullish channel pattern trend line or the support line, we can expect a further fall on the bearish side retracement in 4 hours time frame. For now, the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is also in a bullish trend. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, it is very clear that it is moving on a sideways price action, which means that it has lost the momentum on the bullish side and also on the bearish side. It is under a consolidation for now on the sideways price action in hourly time frame. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this consolidation or a box pattern in order to take a direction trade in hourly time frame. So for the hourly time frame also, I marked the resistance levels and the support levels. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1880 and support level of 1869. Wait for the price action to break this support level of 1869 and next level of support is going to be around 1860, 1853, 1847, 1839 and 1826. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame, and the price action in 30 minutes time frame is also under a consolidation for now. Previously it was on a bearish trend. After taking support around the support level of 1867, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. And if you want to find the pattern formation, we can see a pattern similar to one double top pattern. Wait for the price action to break this neck level of 1867 in order to take trades on the bearish side, which means that it will be breaking the neck level of the double top pattern, which gives the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. And as long as it is trading within this box pattern, we can expect the sideways momentum to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1877 and support level of 1875. Once the price action breaks this support level of 1875, next level of support is going to be around 1874, 1872, 1870, 1868, 1864 and 1860. And on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1877, next level of resistance is going to be around 1880. Let us look at the price action in 15 minutes time frame. I am in 15 minutes time frame. As explained in 30 minutes time frame also, previously the price action was in a bearish trend. After taking support around the support level of 1867, we have noticed it to bounce back on the bullish side retracement, and again it tested the higher time frame resistance level of 1880, and now we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. The price action is trading within a box pattern from the support level of 1867 and resistance level of 1880 on a sideways price action. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1876 and resistance level of 1880. Once the price action breaks the support level of 1876, next level of support is going to be around 1874, 1872, 1870, 1868, 1864 and 1860. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.